Okay, here is a Dart Axle kit, unassembled kit. Recently I looked into Banggood in Australia and I found out this Dart Axle kit only for $83, which is very cheap for Dart Axle. Obviously Dart Axle is one of the best FPV planes in the market. So I just wanted to make a video. If someone is interested in buying the Dart Axle, so this video might help a little bit, because I myself was curious that what I might get in this FPV kit for Dart Axle. And I just opened the box, but I haven't seen into individual parts. So as you can see, this is the main fuselage in two pieces, and that's the main wing. And the best thing is that we also get a exploded diagram, just in case if someone needed a help or something. But I myself, I don't think so. I'm gonna use the drawing because I already have another Dart Axle assembled, which I bought about 2 years ago for about like $250 when it was on special. And all the other bits and pieces are here. Everything is included. You just have to assemble the kit, and also put your FPV gear, electronics, and everything else. You have to put yourself, and I think this is the best choice because gluing the kit together is not a big hassle, and even some people love to assemble their own airplanes, glue them together. All right, but $83 something is very good price for Dart Axle. That's my other Dart Axle that I have been flying for the past 2 years. I've done about 15 kilometers with this, with 5.8 gigahertz, and it flies very nice, very steady, and very good characteristics. Alrighty, so just glue them together. It's very easy. You don't need another video to show you how to glue them together. If you have gone this far with your FPV stuff, then you should be able to assemble these FPV airplanes. They're very easy. Alrighty, so get your hands in one of these if you are in love with FPV airplanes, especially with Dart Axle. This is the best price you can get in 2022. All right.